Welcome back to my channel. So today we will do an unboxing and comparison with the new Sony Buds, or should I say Sony Linkbuds. I just got this one this morning delivered to me. So as you can see, the new packaging one, say this one, no plastic in packaging. So this is the box of the Linkbuds. Okay, this is the casing of the XM4 WF, and this is the one for the WF-1000XM3. So let's go now and unbox this. Okay, opening it. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so while I'm opening it, I'll give you some of the specifications of this Linkbuds. So this is using a Bluetooth 5.2 and has a 5.5 hours for the Linkbuds plus 12 hours for the casing. This supports AAC and SBC. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, let's see. Linkbuds. Okay, so it shows extra small, small, medium, large, and XL. Wow, the case is too small, literally smaller. Okay, let's remove. Okay, so nothing inside. And then we have the cable for charging. It's a Type-C. And these are the ear hoops. I think, correct me if I'm wrong. They are like ear hoops, so that they will hold it in your ear. So here it shows a guide to scan it, to download the app, and how to put it, and also on how to pair it. Okay, so let's see the documentation here. Let me try to pull it down. Okay, we got free trial for the 360 reality audio. Guide. So this shows how they look like and how to use them. So I'll show you a bit. This one. Okay, so let's get it on with the Linkbuds itself. Okay, so let's open the Linkbuds. Wow, it's really small. Okay, let's just pull them. So you see how small. Let's open them. Wow, look how small. Okay, I'll try to pull one. You see how small is it? So this one doesn't support wireless charging. Sorry, let's see. Okay, so let's compare it you see I have here my XM3. See the size, and my XM4. See the size difference. Now let's compare how small the earbuds. Let's start with an XM3. So my XM3 earbuds and the WF-1000. See the comparison. So small. And let's check now with the XM4 size. You see how thin is it? And another one I have, compare, is my one more wireless ANC. So with this design, don't expect to have a nice big base or an ANC, because these are designed like, that's why they use the name Linkbuds, so that it will link you to the inside and outside world. So like how they announce or share this one, you can wear this one while even talking or walking around the city. So I'll be sharing later for some of the pictures on how it looks like when I'm wearing them. So here are the pictures. Okay, there you go. So I hope you like the unboxing and comparison I did for the new Sony Linkbuds WF-L900. Thank you for watching, and see you again for the next video. Have a nice day.